Hi, I am Dr. Sai Prasad Reddy. Welcome to software testing interview questions and multiple choice questions. The next interview question. See, if there are a large number of defects being found in the software, as a testing team member, what you have to do? These type of questions will be asked in the interview. Now say here, just I will explain about this question first. You are working as a software test engineer. You are testing a particular software. While doing the testing activities, you are finding a larger and larger number of defects. That is more and more and more number of defects that that the testing team is finding. In this situation, what you are supposed to do? This is a question. Now, being a software testing team member, irrespective of the number of the defects that are being found, when you are doing testing, you have to continue the testing. Even though more and more and more number of defects are getting found, you have to continue the testing and you have to find the defects. After finding the defects, you have to report those defects to the development team. That is your first activity. The second activity, while finding the defects, after finding the defects, you are reporting the defects in a particular defect reporting template. That proof will be there with you. Now, what you are supposed to do, you have to report to your manager regarding this more number of defects that are being found with the evidence stating that these many number of defects we are finding a larger number of defects, we are getting continuously the defects. This is the evidence, this is the proof that you have to bring to your notice to your manager. Now, the manager, what he will do, if the larger number of defects are being found in the software, first he will see whether all major functionalities are working properly or not. If all the major functionalities are not working properly and more and more and more number of defects are being found, then he will conclude, he will verify whether the build is stable or not. If the build is stable, then your manager will ask you, the testing team, to continue the testing. If the build is unstable, that means, what do you mean with unstable? If you are finding more and more number of defects, under the same time, if the major functionalities are not working properly, then it is called as unstable. If the build is unstable, your manager will take a decision to stop the testing and your manager will send back that build to the development team. Right? This is the answer that you have to give in the interview. See, for this question, you have to explain this entire context and this entire thing by taking 3 minutes, at least 3 minutes. Clear? Now see. So, even though large number of defects are found in the software, testing has to be continued by reporting the defects to the development team. And under the same time, with the proper documentation and the evidence of what? Of finding the defects and reporting the defects, if the larger number of defects are found. So, with the proper documentation and evidence, the entire testing team has to inform your test manager about the presence of more and more and more and more number of defects that are found. Generally, if the build is unstable, that means if major functionalities are not working and more number of defects are being found in the software, then the manager will take a decision to stop testing and the build will be sent back to the development team. So this is the answer that you have to present in the interview. Generally, these type of questions will be asked in the testing interviews. This is very one of the important interview questions, right? Now, with this concept, just there is one multiple choice question. See, while attending the interviews from 0 to 3 years of experience, including freshers and up to 3 years of experience people, many companies will conduct technical screening test. The technical screening test may be of 25 marks or 25 questions or 30 questions or 50 questions. In this technical screening test, you will get these type of questions. Now, see, which of the following approach needs to be taken if there are a larger number of defects being found in the software? Now, one, that is, try continuing testing and logging the critical defects. Immediately stop testing the product. Inform the lead or manager providing proper documentation. Continue testing in the normal manner. These are the options. You have to choose the best option. Right? Now, which is the best option? A, that is 1 and 3 statements are correct. What is the first statement? Try continuing testing and logging the critical defects. And what is the third statement? Inform to your lead or to your manager providing proper documentation about the larger number of defects that are being found during the testing activity. Clear? This one first statement and the third statement, so both are correct. Right? So these type of questions you will get in the technical screening test as well as in the ISTQB exam as well as in any, what I mean to say, any competitive exams. Right? Yeah. So please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos to all the students community, those who are searching for the job in the IT industry in software testing field. Thank you.